In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know which bills Deferit accepts. First, start by logging into your Deferit account on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the account you actually plan to pay from, since that helps keep your records tidy and ensures the system recognizes your saved details. If you've enabled security features like biometrics, use them to sign in quickly and securely. Once you're in, head to the Upload Bill area. You'll usually find it on the main dashboard or in the Bills section. This is the best place to confirm eligibility because the platform keeps its guidance up to date there. If you don't immediately see it, look for a button that says Upload Bill or a plus icon for adding a new bill. Opening that screen will show you what information Deferit needs and what types of bills are supported. Before you upload anything, review the eligible bill types shown on that page. Deferit generally accepts standard household and service bills issued by a business or provider, with a due date and payment details visible. The eligibility guidance on the Upload Bill screen or the help content link there will outline the categories they support and any conditions, like whether the bill needs to be in your name or at your address. Policies can vary by region and change over time, so always rely on what you see in the app today. You'll also find a section describing bills Deferit does not accept. Pay close attention to this list. It commonly includes things like peer-to-peer payments, personal transfers, cash withdrawals, or anything without an invoice or clear biller details. If a document looks more like a receipt than a bill, or if it's a repayment to a friend, it's likely not eligible. When in doubt, compare your document carefully with the in-app examples on that screen. Next, check the file quality before uploading. Use a PDF or a clear photo with the entire page visible. Make sure the bill shows the biller's name, your details if required, the amount due, the due date, and payment instructions. Avoid blurry images, shadows, cut off edges, or files with missing pages. If your bill is multiple pages, include them all so nothing important is missed. Finally, if you're unsure, contact support from within the app or site. Share a clear, redacted copy and ask if it qualifies before submitting. That quick check can save time and prevent declines. With these steps, you'll know exactly which bills Deferit accepts and how to get your upload approved smoothly.